I want you to take a look at these people on the screen over here. I recently found these people on Twitter creating a whole bunch of these Twitter accounts and actually are doing dropshipping through Twitter using this crazy viral trick and strategy that will get you a ton of sales. This is something that I actually used last year as well. I came across another YouTube video that portrayed something very similar and made a couple of sales from it. In this video, I'm going to update you with exactly what I did. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset. On this channel, I post daily videos on how you can make money online, documenting my own journey on how I make money online through building drop servicing stores, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, creating content, building a brand online and building an audience online, giving you tons of valuable videos and content on my channel here as well. So make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a brand new video just like this one. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a tool that you can use to pretty much automate this for you, that will actually run all your ads for you, run your whole store for you. And this can actually become an amazing side income hustle that can actually generate a lot of money because you can do other things while doing this as well and at least earn an extra 5 to 10K per month. So over here, all these people are doing is on this simple Twitter post. I'm actually going to show you the page that they're using now as well. They're creating a whole bunch of these fake accounts. So this person, Rakil at Rakil Stormy, you can actually go check them out on Twitter to have a look at all their posts to get ideas, are creating little posts like this. He gave me a couple bracelet that has a magnet and connects with each other when we hold hands. And all she does is she puts a picture as the proof of the product. And then she says here, babe got it from the website that she got it from. However, this website is actually her website over here. I actually clicked on the link. It's her website that she drops ships off of. But it's super smart because it's kind of like not cold promoting. You're just telling people, hey guys, my boyfriend got me this bracelet. This is where I got it. I definitely recommend it's worth checking out. She did the same thing over here with this octopus toy, which says my boyfriend got me this reversible octopus. So I know, so people know if I'm in a good or bad mood. And then got it from sunflowerjewels.com, which is her dropshipping website. Over here, she's just posting more content. But if I scroll down some more, again, she does it over here. Again, she does it over here with another ankle bracelet. Some more, looks like dog posts or stuff like that. Here's another toy over here, more bracelets. So that's all she is doing. I mean, this one post got over 1K likes. Again, she's posting over here. And all she does is, she tweets a post like this, she will get another account, for example, like Michelle Lee over here, to repost her tweet and get a shout out on these big Twitter pages over here. So for example, is a Twitter page with 22K followers, you can actually email them over here and contact them for like to pay 20-30 bucks for a shout out tweet. And all they'll do is she will screenshot this tweet, get a shout out on Army Bracelet, for example, of someone retweeting it with another one of her fake accounts. So it looks organic. It looks like everybody's sharing this tweet. And this is all she did. And I'm going to explain to you every single step that she took so that you can do this as well and replicate this crazy viral strategy that she's using that's actually honestly very smart. So firstly, she came over to Shopify, started a free trial on the top right over here, enter your email password. You'll get to the back end of your Shopify account where you can import, dump your themes, dump your stores, and create your products. What she also did was she used a tool called Dropify. So Dropify is a software that you can add to Shopify to automate sales between AliExpress. If I come over to AliExpress over here, which is a website where you can drop ship tons of viral products all over the world. So let's just go type in here bracelets and click on enter over here. Here you can see is a bracelet currently going for $372. All she did was create a Shopify store and put the same product for $24. She has the Dropify tool linked up to her Shopify store over here. And every time she gets a sale, Dropify is going to send all the shipping information, the price of the product to your service provider on AliExpress over here. So your customer pays you $24.99, yes, on her website. And then you just go and pay AliExpress $372 and you keep the $21 in your pocket per sale. You're making well over 300% profit. And all she did is create a good looking online store with a little bit of good branding, a little video over here, for example, more products over here, customer reviews of 5 stars. She added her own customer reviews to make the product look good, that people are rating it. And overall, it's a very good quality website that plays a big role in selling your product. So that's what you need to do. Just go use this store, for example, sunflowerjewels.com. You can actually get an idea. I wouldn't suggest copy, but get an idea on how they make the store. So if I come over to the homepage, I want you to note how she pretty much has bestsellers and all the products over here. But what I like about the way this person dropships is she promotes one product at a time and has a link directly to that product. She doesn't promote her store as a whole. I find that very effective with both drop shipping and drop servicing when it comes to converting traffic into sales. And actually converting is when you promote a specific product through a specific ad. So here she's specifically promoting bracelets. She's not promoting sunflower jewels as a whole. She's promoting specifically bracelets through this post. Like I said, you just go get this retweeted, comment on your own post. My babe got it here from Sunflower Jewels to the link to your website. Go get started with Dropify. Link up all these products or bracelets on your online store over here on your Shopify store. And then what I want you to do is I'm going to give you something very handy. Over here, I've got an entire free course on Facebook ads for e-commerce and dropshipping 2020. So this course over here will teach you how to scale your dropshipping store from hundreds of dollars today to thousands of dollars per day. Because remember, you've already got tons of free traffic using this Twitter repost trick that I've showed you now. And if you really want to scale, you can actually just take the revenue that you've made from this. You watch this Facebook ads course. It's completely free. All you need to do is just leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, and make sure that you subscribe with the bell on, and I'll reply to your comment with the link to this free Facebook course. This is all what you learn over here. Learn to understand the Facebook advertising algorithm so it works for your e-commerce and dropshipping business. Learn how to build a CBO, a campaign budget optimization for your e-commerce setup. Step-by-step Facebook ads for profitable campaigns. You get all the ad sets and ads completed. Learn how to target your ideal customers using advanced Facebook ad strategies, and 4 ways avoiding getting your Facebook ad account banned, and a lot more content as well. What I also want to show you on top of all of this, over here is an entire Facebook and Instagram ad tester. So this video over here will reveal a secret app actually made by Mark Zuckerberg for pre-running all of Facebook and Instagram ads without actually paying a penny. So this tool over here, you can actually get your own Facebook ads tester, pre-run over 20 Facebook ads, have your own Instagram ads tester as well, test over 15 ads simultaneously. This is perfect for business. Save ads accounts for lifetime, and it optimizes your image, your link, your product description at just the click of a button. This little tool costs $8. It is a paid little tool, but I mean, the fact that this was made by Mark Zuckerberg says a lot. If you want to get this tool, I will leave a link down below where you can get this for $8 over here. Read through this page, just have a look at what you need to do, and this is a great way to really get all your ads approved, and you might even get some free ad sets with this to run ads without actually paying money on Facebook. So I definitely recommend put all of this together. Come over to Twitter. I'll actually show you the link over here on the screen. It's twitter.com, Raquel Stormy. Go have a look at all the posts on how she's drop shipping. All you can do is come over to Twitter again, just search bracelets or fashion pages, anything like that on Twitter. Let's just go search fashion. You want to click on not top, I think it's people. Let's just have a look again. Yes, come over to people, click on, for example, let's go to Giovanni Fashions over here. Reach out to them. You can follow them, send them a message, ask them if they do shout outs or paid promotions. You just ask them to repost a tweet like this. For example, hey guys, got this bracelet here that my boyfriend got me, which connects together when you hold hands. And then you comment on that post once they've shouted it out. Babe got it from here, and you leave the link to your dropshipping store that you've now created on Shopify. And remember, everything is automated for you. Dropify is running all your orders through AliExpress over here. Shipping included at $368. You don't need to do the hard work. AliExpress delivers that product to your clients, invoices them. You don't need to worry about a thing. If I actually work out exactly, that's the $24.99 minus the $3.72 minus the $3.68 shipping. You're making $17.59 per sale. Let's say through this Twitter strategy or just the free strategy, you get 10 sales in your first day. That's $17.59 times 10, which is going to be $175.90 profit. That's profit that you've made. Your expenses will be about $60 on that, but remember, all of that's automated for you. You don't need to worry about that. You don't have any expenses in terms of actually having inventory at your home or your house. It's all digital, all run through software. Like you saw in this video, you may earn $17, $18, $20, $30 per dropshipping sale. With this course, it will teach you how to make thousands to hundreds of dollars per day or per sale profit, because you are now drop servicing high ticket services such as coding, web development, app development, services that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for. You don't even need to do the hard work yourself because you're outsourcing that through freelancers at huge markup. This course currently includes over $19,000 worth of bonuses, including your own done-for-you drop servicing agency given to you at the end of this course, valued at $10K. Now, this course is currently going for $1,997, but there's about 4 spots available left where you can actually get this for $397. Think of this as like an online university degree. This course has generated me more income than what doctors earn, and you pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn medicine, which takes 8 to 10 years of studying, which is like 10% of your life. This will take you 2 days to watch, and it's generated me an income more than what doctors earn. And if you want to get this coupon over here, Millie Club 1600, all you do is click on this blue button over here, copy this coupon over here, and if I come to the checkout page over here, it will just load out a little payment server here, paste the coupon over here, click on the tick, and you'll see it will take this course all the way down to $397. Now, there's only about 4 of these left, so this might be claimed up within the next, I don't know how many people will claim this after this video, but what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below where you can go claim this coupon down below to get this entire course for $397. Once all the spots are taken up, this course is going to go back up to $197, and I'm not sure when this discount or discount like this big will be applied again. So definitely go down to the first link in the description, and if you really want to equip yourself with the right high income skills and services to build landing pages, to do drop shipping, drop servicing, build email lists, build email campaigns, and run an entire full online business from home that generates tens of thousands of dollars per month, definitely, this is a life-changing program that changed my life. This is all what this program teaches. So you can go claim everything down below in the link in the description. Otherwise, what you can do is you can use all your profits from this dropshipping strategy that I taught you now, using this Twitter trick to pay for this course, and then you're pretty much just getting a free course. So that's also something I can recommend. So definitely head over to the link in the description, and I'll see you over here.